Good morning, good day, or good evening, beautiful people. Another one Crocs day in a nice and awesome garage with the Ducati Desert X. So we're gonna have fun today. Some decals. I haven't opened it yet. They just came in, so I will see. Maybe still very good looking. Please give me some comment under. So if you are a follower and you have a Desert X, I will send it to you. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm not going to use it. I decided I don't want to use those. So that will be given away. Keep that in mind. And please subscribe, follow. I do gifts time by time. I'll show you what I have. Give me a second. I have to open it. Very careful. All fun stuff. Awesome. So that this is the sticker kit, which one gonna be given away. You see? Enjoy it. Today we're gonna do the DeCAT. So I have it right here. It came from United States, from shifttech.com. Nice people. It came even over here to Norway pretty fast. So we'll see what we have inside. I haven't opened it yet, but that should make my motorcycle lighter. Oh, I just hope one thing, that they're not gonna have no American spanners, because this inch system, I hate it. Very simple. There we go. I was expecting it's gonna be bigger, but it's not. It's like this. And it's actually made to go just straight bolt on. Take out the cat and just put this one in, and we will see how it's gonna work. Hope it's gonna work perfect. And it's gonna, my catalytic converter is really heavy. And I hope it's gonna make better sound, because right now our sound is really crazy bad. So let's go, have fun. It will be some fun for sure. Low fuel. Now we will have to take it off, and we'll see what it's gonna sound like. Smoky! We have to take this one off, right here. Then we have to take that one off, over there. Warmed up a little bit, fast. Hot. Now we need to wait until it's gonna dry a little bit, cool down. Then we have some hidden right there. And the same one, it's not that hidden right here. So we'll take those off and then we will see how everything gonna go.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Okay, I had to take it off. Looks like I'm gonna have to put the wheel back in order to do a good job. I see that this one needs to be taken off anyway, so I'll take care of it. I think I'll just take all my muffler off. It's gonna be just easier to do it that way. Yeah, and I have to put my wheel in, so we'll do that. Cleaning is not that much of fun, but it needs to be done. And I think it's easier to clean the sprocket right here instead of trying to do it when I put the chain on. Nice. Now we can put that one in. Just we'll do it with the hand because now we need to take the bike off. So now I can try go and take off my DeCAT. But in the meantime, we need to take off this one. One more right here. Now we will try to reach somehow this one. Oh, it's really not tight at all. Now we have that one. Everywhere is 10mm sockets for now. Okay. One over there. One is over here too. If I would have released over here those 3 bolts, then probably that would have go out easier. I have like one almost out, but I think I will. Okay, there we go. Catalytic converter. I didn't have to loosen the front. Ooh, it's heavy. Heavy and nasty. Yeah, trying those two both, it's actually wow. It's a big difference. This is like weighs nothing, like 300 grams. And this is, yeah, I think that's gonna be about 4, maybe kilos, 5. And my friend will come back and we will weigh it, so I will know. But this one is like really nothing. That's how we save the weight. So we're checking right now. 4.7 kilograms. We'll see how it's gonna work, because now when I'm looking, that looks a little taller and longer. Not sure how it will work. I'm afraid it might not. What do you guys think? Gotta see. Nothing else we can do. Okay, that means I have to release. I have to release these 3 and undo it. That's number 8 spanner. First, wiggle, wiggle, and hope it will work good. Yep. Then that one went in, and we connect the bottom. And then this side. Because now it's hanging. A little extra room to play. Yep. Okay. I'm not putting anything in here, so when that's gonna cover, I hope it's gonna be all right. But okay, that was easy. I want to make sure it fits before I finish everything. Okay. What I think, I like because it just gave me this low, very muffled grunt in a low RPMs. It's like, you know, this explosion, like, oh, I love it. I like it. I like it. I know how it's gonna be when I'm gonna be revving up, but this, wow. I definitely love it. Whoa, approved. That's very nice. Well, a little upgrade. Sadly, no stickers, but stickers going to somebody else. Comment below over there and you will get this one for you guys. I'll send it off. You know, if you're gonna have any taxes for that or something, that's not my responsibility, but I will ship it for you. This is not a cheap stuff, believe me. It's a not cheap one, so I hope that somebody who will get it gonna really enjoy it. Good quality. I used it before, so I know what it is. So if you guys, somebody wants to have a Lucky Explorer Ducati Desert X, go ahead and go for it. So this is a gift for you. So comment and you will get it. That's very nice. Yeah, it's very good. I think we will go now. Just neighbors gonna be happy again. I like it. Oh, wow. What a difference.